It's a legal back and forth that has people sitting in ICE detention for months.
We're seeing people who have been here for many, many years, over a decade, who are detained simply because they entered without inspection.
That wouldn't have always been the case. For decades, the federal government treated people who were in the process of crossing into the country and immigrants who were already here differently. Someone just getting here could be detained and held without bond while their case was being processed. But someone who had been in the country for a significant amount of time would get the opportunity to post bond instead. That changed during President Trump's second term, with this memo to ICE saying everyone would be denied bond hearings. Immigration attorney Jason McGlynn says her clients were impacted right away.
Essentially being held for 2 or 3 months, and because the way the laws are being interpreted now, they're being sent home without the ability to fight their case while they're free.
Since the policy change, courts have been asked to decide whether it's legal. At the beginning of July, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals here in New Orleans decided it isn't. Then, not long after, the court went back on the decision. So as of now, anyone who came into the country without presenting themselves for inspection, no matter how long ago, can be held without bond.
In the last year and a half, since Trump took office for a second term, we have seen a completely, like a 180 in immigration law.
There are a couple of reasons this is especially important right here and right now. For one, Louisiana has the highest number of people in immigration detention after Texas. For another, as we reported earlier this month, our area is seeing a surge in ICE arrests.
The vast majority of ICE activity that we're seeing at traffic stops or targeted encounters are happening in places like the North Shore, in Slidell. They're happening in Kenner. They're happening in Metairie.
Just last week, the Department of Homeland Security posted this video on social media. It shows people being led onto deportation flights in Louisiana. The caption calls it a swamp send-off. Rachel Handley, WWL, Louisiana.